That's like really nice and cute and dainty.
We're at Zombie Farms and
Yeah. You can't see my man because he's African American, but we're here at Zombie Farms. Okay, so I'm really irritated because I did not get up and go to the gym. I was supposed to get up at 5 in the morning and start my day. And honestly, it would be the only time, and it'll be the only time that I would be able to do what I need to do and record. So, a little bummed out, but I haven't been getting up early in the morning. I'm capable of getting up early in the morning because I gotta be at work on surgery days at like 5:45 in the morning, so like I'm capable of getting up at 4:30, but I don't know, but my brain knows that like, oh, I ain't got to. I don't, but at the same time, like, I got to, because it's just a better life. It means that I'll have a better life. It means that, you know, better quality of life, and I need to put my health first. Athens Tech because I need to sign up for welding, and I need the night class because of course I work in the day, so I need the night class, and there's only 2 slots left, and my student email's not even done. And when I got there months ago, before, you know, because it's not till spring, January, it starts January 12th, the man was like, oh, you got a lot of time. Why did I go on there to look to see, like, oh, like, let me look at the stuff so I can see the times of the classes? There's 2 spots left. So I have work at 9 at my regular job. It is now 7:58, and I am going to Athens Tech to get my put together because I don't like wasting time. I do not like wasting time. But I said, you know what, I'm not even gonna say worst case scenario. If Athens Tech doesn't work out, I'll just cancel all that and just go into an apprenticeship and hopefully get like a night shift, because I still want to keep like my morning job. Because why not make more money? Okay. Why not make more money? So that's what we're gonna do. I'm on the way to do that. Because why not? I'm glad that I don't go to work till 9. So I'm gonna head out there to Athens Tech and get my email and stuff situated. I don't know if y'all can hear me, and I got the windshield wipers going. But yeah, this vlog today is just me trying to get my life together. Let's just say that. Let's just say that. I just needed a moment to figure out what I wanted to do, you know? My skin looks a lot better today. I don't know what's going on, but it looked better today. But yeah. Because it had all kind of white blister pimples and everything yesterday. I don't know. I think because I just went to sleep. Sleep do wonders. Because I'm 39. No, 39, 29. If I would have said 39, people would have said, ah! Oh, shit, it's a squirrel. Oh, but I know not to turn. I would have just ran them over. Don't never turn. Don't never veer off the road for no animal. You will kill yourself and your friends. I don't care if it's a squirrel, a raccoon, a deer. That deer gonna hurt your car, but at the end of the day, do not swerve your car to dodge your animal. Okay, so I'm very happy. I was very stressed, but at the same time, I was like, Lord, if this is not what it's supposed to be, then it's just not gonna work. It's just not gonna work. But I know that the Holy Spirit moved me, and it said, look at them classes. Yesterday, it said, look at them classes, because my guy friend that I'm dealing with at this time, he goes to Athens Tech. So I was like, let me see if I can go in there through his and look at classes and see. And then they only had 2 spots left for the welding class that I need the night class because I work in the morning, you know, because I gotta work and go to school. And there was 2 slots left for the night class welding. That's what ideal is, what I need. That's what I need. And went up there. I said, I don't have to go in the morning. I'm going to go in the morning and I'm going to see, because they open up. It's Monday. I said they start 7:30. I'm going to get there at 8. Thank God I don't have to be to work till 9 right now. I mean, I'm running a little behind, but it's fine. If someone's there to check in, it's okay. So yeah, I went in there and everything went smooth. At first, the girl up front had me nervous because she was like, oh, something, your stuff's not this, your stuff's not that. And I'm like, okay, well, like, she was kind of confused. I was like, you know, I like to reiterate. I don't let people just know stuff. I was like, I am doing the spring. I said, I'm not for fall, I'm spring. And I just applied. I applied because I'm an early bird. I've been applied and all that. I did my FAFSA, all of that. And then next thing I know, she sent me to for them to fix my email and stuff. The girl did that, but then the girl, luckily it was a sister, period. And then she said, oh, I can go ahead and get you registered for classes. We're gonna do that. We can do that. I said, okay, because that's what I wanted. I wanted to see if we could bypass me getting registered, period. You know, and I just worry about my email and stuff later. I just want to get registered because there's 2 slots left. And then they run through and then she's like, oh, it looks like you got a hold for administration. It looks like they just need your ID. So I go over to the other side. It's not like the same building, sit right, they all right here. And then she says, oh, I did my stuff with her, sign up with the QR code. She says, oh, that's fine. We got it. We got your ID and stuff. That's good. So she just checked it off and that hold was removed. Then I go back to registration just right beside her. And then she's like, oh yeah, we got it. And then next thing you know, she was like, oh, you got to sign up for, you got to do this, like, I guess it's like an intro class. That's a prerequisite for the welding. So they just said, hey, well, you can just take it at the same time. You'll take it. It starts at 4:30 and then you'll go into welding class right after, because I think the welding class is 5 something to like 6:50, something like that. It's like, yeah, 5 something to like 6:50. Yeah, I think it's like, I don't know, but it's like right after that class is over, I got to go straight to the welding shop and I start classes learning how to weld. So yeah, God is most high. God is everything. And I know this is nothing but God, because I asked him, I said, if nothing makes sense, if everything's too much, it's not for me. God don't want me to have it. But the Holy Spirit moved me yesterday, because my guy friend kept telling me, like, why you want to look at it? I was like, Holy Spirit telling me, look at these classes, let me see. And then I seen there was only 2 slots left. I said, oh, I gotta move because this is what I want. I'm not, because I'm the one person, like, even if my friends tell me, oh, I'm not gonna do it, it's too much, I'm like, just try and go do it, because if it's meant to be, it'll be meant to be. And so everything's done. Let's hope that everything's stuck in stone and you know, no one loses my paper. But it looks like they did it all on the computer too, as well. She was, you know, she was going back and forth with people trying to get it all together for me. So yeah. Okay, so I got ready so I could get an iced coffee before I went to go get my nails done. And I am at Sunroof Coffee here in Athens. It's a really cute coffee shop. And I'm really excited that, like, it's not crowded because it's my first time here and I'm kind of nervous. But at the same time, I really hope they're open because no one's here. So yeah, we're about to go and see. Okay, so I finally got here. It's super cute and it's good. It's really good. I told him that I wanted almond milk, lavender, vanilla. I want it really sweet, and you know, that's what I get. And it's really good. I love like cute little authentic like coffee places like this, because this is made by like students. It's like a small business. So yeah, and they're also opening another location somewhere else, so that's gonna be really cool. But I don't know, especially with me going to welding school and all that, I probably won't be in Athens a long time. But you know, it is nice to like get out and like see like some of the cute little things that Athens has. It's like really nice and cute and dainty. So yeah, I'm about to go and head to my nail appointment because I don't like to be late for Alex because he be booked and busy, honey. But yeah, it's so cute. Look at that. Sunroof coffee. It's over here. I'm gonna link it. I'm gonna put the address here. If you're in Athens or ever want to come to Athens and you see that and you want to come out here, show support this cute little business. And this coffee's really good. And Alec was really sweet. He was the cashier and he was like super sweet. And he like, have a great day, Marie. Well, I hear you. But yeah, we're gonna go get my nails done because what? Now it's raining. That's fine. It's okay. Not really dressed for rain. And then there's also a tailgate at my job that we're going to. So we do have a tent though, so I guess it'll be fun. I guess that's why they got the tent. I just got back. I love my nails. My nail beds look like shit. I get my nails done so I could stop doing that. I waited too late and I started picking. So, but yeah, this is what I came up with. Something fall, and I love my stars. So, yeah.
We're at Zombie Farms and
Yeah.
Exactly.
You can't see my man because he's African American, but we're here at Zombie Farms.